I'm back. My Zoe just jumped off her perch. You can pan my little Zoe there, who just jumped off her perch, so scared me. So I am back. I do apologize. You're gonna have to watch this in 2 sections, which was not what I really planned. But as you can see, I'm just pulling this through, where now on this side, I've got my 2 parts here, and I'm just going to tie it like that in a double knot, and then I just take it and kind of scrunch it up like this. See how it's like scrunched? And then I start making my flower. So if you can see, what I do is I just take my fingernail and I just bend it down and crunch. Bend it down and crunch. Can you see that? How I'm just kind of bending and crunching? And you just kind of make your flower petals this way, and I just kind of crunch it around this way. I just use my fingernail to kind of crimp it and crush it at the same time, trying to make a flower petal. Okay, there you go. So it's just kind of making a flower. Can you see that? I just kind of go around my hole here. Okay. And it's just making a cute little flower, cupcake paper flower. Is that a good angle? Is there a good angle on the, I want to make sure everyone can see how this kind of goes around. Just crunch it. There's no rhyme or reason how you crunch it. You just, some of these I crunch in, out, out. Just kind of. Bring that in. And just crunch. You use your fingernail and I just kind of crunch it. I just like crunch it like. See how that's starting to look like a flower? And I can bring some of these in. Let's see. Let's see. About, you know, and none of them will ever look the same. And this one's a little faster one I did, but you can see right there you have a flower. I've put one in a Dairy Queen cup. You can tell my Zoe's already chewed on it, but you can put them in that, just in anything like this. You can hang it on the side like this. There's many uses. You could even just hang that on the side of the cage. Tess, I hope this helped you. I know you wanted to know how to make it. This one's not as pretty. It's a little quick, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.